5th evening. She spent most of the day on the ground, and now she's back, sitting on the perch and still looking at us and preferring to face us rather than giving us her back. But I haven't seen her play with her toys or anything. She's just simply staring at us. Quiet most of the time, just screams sometimes when she hears some loud noise or ambulances. Otherwise, she's still quiet, but seems gradually to get used to us and being more relaxed. On the second day, she was all right with me putting my finger near her face, but later she wasn't as happy. Sometimes she lets me, but not most of the time, not all of the time. Look, she's a bit cautious. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Oops, what's that? Some noise outside. Don't be scared. I'm just gently putting my finger here. Because look, I have a friendly finger, see? My finger is friendly. I don't hurt you. I never do. Pretty girl. Okay. Bye. See you later.